Video is sponsored by BuyMote shopping app.
In a quiet village nestled at the edge of a vast forest, there lived a young man named Ryu. Ryu was full of dreams. He wanted to become a great scholar, a skilled archer, and a master musician. But no matter how many ambitions he chased, he found himself failing. His days were scattered, his efforts half-hearted, and his progress non-existent. One evening, Ryu sat by the village well, frustrated and lost. A monk passing by noticed his despair and stopped. "You seem troubled, young one," the monk said. "I am," Ryu replied. "I have so many dreams, but I never seem to succeed. I try, but nothing works. What am I missing?" The monk smiled knowingly. "If you seek answers, go to the old temple at the top of the hill. There, you will find the lantern keeper. He holds the secret to achieving greatness." Intrigued, Ryu set off immediately. After a steep and exhausting climb, he reached the temple, where he found a monk tending to rows of glowing lanterns. "Are you the lantern keeper?" Ryu asked, bowing. "I am," the monk replied, without looking up. "I've come seeking your wisdom," Ryu said earnestly. "How do I succeed in life? How do I achieve my dreams?" The lantern keeper finally turned to Ryu with a calm expression. "Come with me," he said. He led Ryu to a dark hallway in the temple, lit only by a single lantern in the monk's hand. "Take this lantern and walk to the end of the hallway," the keeper instructed. Ryu took the lantern and began walking. The light illuminated the path just a few steps ahead, leaving the rest of the hallway in darkness. "Wait," Ryu said, turning back. "I can't see the whole path. How will I know where to go?" The lantern keeper smiled. "You don't need to see the whole path. You only need to take one step at a time. Keep moving forward, and the way will reveal itself." Reluctantly, Ryu began walking again, one step at a time. As he moved forward, the light from the lantern illuminated more of the path. By the time he reached the end of the hallway, he felt a strange sense of clarity. The lantern keeper met him there. "You see, Ryu, your dreams are like this path. You cannot achieve them all at once. You must focus on one step, one task, one goal at a time, and give it your full attention. This is the essence of discipline." "But what if I grow impatient or distracted?" Ryu asked. The monk held up the lantern. "Then return to your light. Discipline is not about being perfect. It is about returning to the task again and again, no matter how many times you stray." Ryu bowed deeply, understanding for the first time what he had been missing. He returned to the village and began his journey anew, not chasing many things at once, but focusing on one step at a time. With discipline as his lantern, Ryu grew into the scholar, archer, and musician he had always dreamed of becoming. And though the path was long, he found joy in the journey, knowing that each small step brought him closer to his goals, and in his heart, he carried the wisdom of the lantern keeper, whose light would never fade.